Hi guys, welcome to Do IT. So today we are going to see ROAS configuration, which means router on a stick. Okay, so whenever you have a router and you wanted to configure VLANs on a router, this concept will help you. Okay, for example, this is my L2 switch, and I have a router. So and I have different VLANs, so different domains I have. So if you want to communicate between these different networks, then we need as router or an L3 device, right? So we have seen the L3 switch routing. Now we will see how we we do routing between uh, VLANs on a router. Okay, so let's start the video. My console for router, the switch. Right, I have taken three different PCs. Each PC is different VLAN. So now we will configure the router, config T, and interface. We have connected a single interface, right? But we have three different VLANs. So I'll show you how we can configure it. Interface, interface Ethernet, interface Ethernet 0 by 0 dot. We have to configure sub interfaces on Ethernet 0 by 0. Okay, so I'm creating a sub interface called 10 for VLAN 10. Okay, so you need to enable the encapsulation dot 1q. So switch, sorry, encapsulation dot 1q for VLAN 10. So if you are giving here dot after dot 1, 2 or anything, it doesn't matter. Okay, but after encapsulation dot 1q, whatever you are giving this number, it must match the VLAN number. Okay, so it doesn't matter what number you are taking here, but I took it as like for easy remembering. Okay, so I've taken the VLAN. Now I'll configure IP address. What is our gateway? 10 dot for VLAN 10 0 dot 0 dot 100, and gateway subnet mask is 555 dot 0. Okay, now I exit. Now I'll configure for VLAN 20 dot q 20 and IP address is 20 dot 100 20 dot 100 and exit. So next VLAN 30 also 30, and the IP address is 30 dot 30 dot 0 dot 0 dot 100 and exit. Okay, you need to give no shutdown command on Ethernet 0 by 0. So Ethernet, sorry, interface Ethernet 0 by 0 and no shutdown. Okay, so this is the configuration you do on a router. Okay, save the configuration. Now we will configure on a switch. So config T, configure the VLANs, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. That's it. And we need to configure Ethernet 0 by 0 as trunk. Okay, that is must. So interface E 0 by 0, switch port mod, sorry, switch port trunk encapsulation as .1q, and then switch port mod trunk. Okay, now this port is has become trunk. Now exit. Okay, now Ethernet 0 by 1, 2 and 3. These three are access ports. So we'll configure Ethernet interface Ethernet 0 by 1 switch port mod access and switch port access VLAN is 10. Exit and interface Ethernet 0 by 2 and port is access mode is access and access VLAN is 20. Okay, exit. Okay, for your previous for using your previous commands you can use up arrow. Okay, I'm using up arrow now, so I can go to my previous commands. So switch port mode is access and access VLAN is 30. Exit end and save the configuration. Okay, verify show VLAN brief. So we have all three VLANs and we have assigned to Ethernet ports and show trunk, sorry, show trunk, show interface trunk. See, E0 by 0 is our trunk and it is been allowed 4 VLANs, VLAN 1, 10, 20 and 30, which is a default VLAN. VLAN 1 is a default VLAN. Okay, our configuration is perfect. One more thing we can verify, like show run pipe section interfaces. So to verify our interfaces, this command you can see our 0 by 0 is trunk and 0 by 1 is access mode and access VLAN is 10, 0 by 2 is access VLAN 20 and 30. Okay, the configuration is perfect now. Okay, save the configuration. Now we will configure the IP addresses on PCs. 10.0.0.1, subnet mask is 24, gateway is 10.0.0.100. Okay, for this PC it is 20.0.0.1 and gateway is 24 and gateway is 10.0.0.100. Okay, for our PC5 IP 30.0.0.1 and 24 is a subnet mask. Gateway is 30.0.0.100. Okay, let's verify. show IP is my IP and this is my gateway. So let's ping my gateway. Ping 10.0.0.100. Okay, it is pinging. Now verify this PC. Show IP. So my IP and my gateway, which is perfect. So try to ping the gateway. Ping 20.0.0.100. Okay, perfect. And let's verify ask PC. Okay, ping our gateway 30.0.0.100, which is perfect. Now I'll ping my other PCs. Okay, 20.0.0.1, which is pinging, and let's ping 30.0.0.1. Verify. So I can ping all the networks, right? Let's verify from here. Okay, ping 10.0.0.1. Yes, I am able to ping. Let's verify from here, like 10.0.0.1. Okay, I'm able to ping. Ten only. From here you can ping 30 network also. From this you can also ping or 20 dot network. Yeah, from all these pieces you can able to ping all your networks. So this is how you configure router on a stick. Okay, this very useful when you have like L2 switches and a router. Then you can configure like this and you can able to communicate between different networks.